because share this video. This live is going to be brief. Like I'm going to be brief now this live. The other go. The truth of the matter is that the date of the Anambra South senatorial district election has been set for August, I think so. And with heavy heart, honestly, I don't know how to start or where to start getting myself involved in this particular election, and only because almost Senator Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah, blessed memory, do too deep. That is the thing called to so deep that I feel like it is so difficult for somebody like me to get over it. You want to go? But then the people of Anambra South, why we go out to elect another leader who is going to replace Senator Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah na the upper chamber. It is very important that we understand where we were coming from. It's very important that we understand where we came from. For 1 second, I was thinking that Ifeanyi Ubah structure will plan about bringing out somebody. By bringing out somebody, I was hearing rumor that now Senator Ifeanyi Ubah na chobi put for Senate. I was hearing it as a rumor, but it is now confirmed that now that one who a rumor, obviously. But I was thinking now the structure will equip somebody who will come out and by God's grace consolidate the legacy of late Senator Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah. But it is so obvious that now that structure, the somebody not there to continue leading that structure. Having said that, it is very important that we understand where we were coming from before Senator Ifeanyi Ubah gave meaning, before Senator Ifeanyi Ubah showed people that a senator can actually do a lot. Don't forget that we had somebody like Senator Ifeanyi when he was in the Senate. The only thing Senator Ifeanyi made then oge election luwe obata jebe akwamozu oge election luwe obata ebe niile mmadụ nwụrụ ke ya fu moto ya ho na akpaghalị emere election mechasi election, you will not see him again. We know the days of Senator Ifeanyi and the Honorable CID Madabun. We knew then. People never knew that the Senate can come closer to the people. Like Senator Ifeanyi Ubah brought it down to the people. The role parliament in a play, even in our societies. I wish and I hope that the name will somebody who can mash the shoe Senator Ifeanyi Ubah happened behind. He was everywhere. You wouldn't know if he's in Abuja, you wouldn't know if he's in Nnewi, but he was everywhere serving the people. That young man sacrificed his life. I pray honestly that Anambra South can find somebody who can be as generous as Senator Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah. Anybody can say anything. People can go ahead and say whatever they want to say. But I want us to look inward and know somebody who can be able to match that legacy of Senator Ifeanyi Ubah. That wound got so deep because only God knew where he was going before the inevitable happened. Now, among the whole contestant who is fit to replace Senator Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah, I am yet to know. I'm still watching. Who is there? Who can be available like Senator Ifeanyi Ubah? Miriga Fopala Ifeanyi Ubah not there. Yamadum born Abuja, like I said before. Yamam born Anambra State. Yamam ono na Igbo gathering na obodo ona. You won't know. That young man dedicated his life to the service of humanity. To the service of humanity. And that is why since the election, I found this so difficult and so hard to come and start talking about this Anambra South election, because me talking about it will remind me more that Senator Ifeanyi Ubah is no more. I found it difficult That is why since ya na-ekwu Odoka ya si na Ezeugo esiro from Anambra South Ezeugo ọkwa na-akwado election onwere ife ị na-ekwu kedu ife ị na-ekwu. I'm so shocked. Like Keta Eset go to date for this election. Can the reality actually be that this distinguished senator is no more? That the distinguished senator is no more. My fear, however, is who will this cap fit? Who can be available? Ifeanyi Ubah PA na answer phone here. Ifeanyi Ubah as a senator, Marife as a senator. Oh yeah, na phone. He will pick up your call. He will pick up your call. Like during that time, or inaugurated that security outfit or inaugurated. Ifeanyi Ubah happen be Solu boys ban at the street. Solu boys na patrol everywhere. Who can be that available? Let us talk about the availability first. Because what you see from some of these guys is that during the time of campaign, they will all be available everywhere. But the moment they make an election, they will all disappear. Ikechukwu Obiora showed us that. We never knew it was Ifeanyi Ubah who made us understand the role of senators in Anambra South. You cannot take that credit away from him. He made people to understand the legislative duties of senators. He brought it down to the grassroots. I pray honestly, and I'm still looking to know who can dedicate the kind of time Ifeanyi Ubah dedicated in this public service within the short time on I am yet to know who can have that time, who can sacrifice their businesses at the expense of people's interest. And imagine the series of events that took place before he died. Within that 1 week, Ifeanyi Ubah before people can tell you we were with him, we were with him, I know with him na fight where down Lagos, I know with him na fight where da Abuja, I know with him na fight where da Anambra Airport. All these things within a period of 1 to 2 weeks before he traveled. Who can dedicate this much time to the service of our people? I wish God left Ifeanyi Ubah for a while. I wish that God help Ifeanyi Ubah for a while. That shoe is too big for. I don't know who can be able to fit in that shoe. I don't know who can be able to fit in that shoe. Anambra South Senatorial District is hungry and looking for a leader. I pray that God is going to give us a leader. I pray that God is going to give us a leader who can be like Ifeanyi Ubah. I pray that God is going to give us a selfless leader who's going to be like Ifeanyi Ubah. A man who is accessible, a man who is reachable, a man you can easily dial his number. I know how many times within the past few months I have tried to call his number. And each time I call that number, I wish that Ifeanyi Ubah can pick up that call. It was a huge shock. We felt it, and everybody felt it. And I think whoever that God may give that baton should look at where we are coming from. May God not give us like a senator like Ikechukwu Obiora again. May God not give us a senator like Ikechukwu Obiora again, Senator Ikechukwu Obiora again. May God give us a senator who will even outperform the late Senator Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah. His footprint to do everywhere. His footprint do everywhere. Every corner. He will one way or the other. He was there for a short while, but the impact was so obvious. Who will this cap fit? Who will this cap fit? I honestly pray that God will give Anambra South Senatorial District a senator like the one that we have just lost. I pray that God will give us a senator just like we have just lost. And Ndi Igbo na lack patriotism, and I don't know why. I don't know why the Southeast caucus has failed to remember the impact of Senator Ifeanyi Ubah na the Red Chamber. Most remarkable of them all, who the establishment of Southeast Development Commission. I don't know how they are pursuing that particular program. Southeast Development Commission was a very important legacy, a very remarkable legacy. Ifeanyi Ubah hapụrụ aka consolidate the peace I went and Igbo. So in fact, it is meant to reconcile for a reconciliatory purpose. And I said then, please, Southeast Caucus, please, for the sake of this legacy to be permanently consolidated, why is it that you people cannot pick the wife of Senator Ifeanyi Ubah to come and be the leader of this Southeast Development Commission? You ought to go, so that for the sake of his the late husband, she can perform. She can perform so well. But we left everything like that, just like soldier come, soldier go. Our people don't even remember those people, our foreign heroes, our men and women who has put our name in a roadmap. We forget about them the moment Elo has 6 feet down below. I have cried enough, and Ifeanyi Ubah enough. And in this time of election, I think it's time and best time for us to move forward. I am only praying and asking God to give us a leader in Anambra South who is going to perform way better than Senator Ifeanyi Ubah. And we are going to get that leader. And I pray honestly that God will help us. I pray that God will help us, because the shoe the late Ifeanyi Ubah left do too oversized that I am yet to see who can be able to fit in that shoe. Share this video. It is very important. Saji Nwokike. You gotta go. I greet you, my brother. Yeah? I greet you, my brother. You gotta go. I pray that God is going to help us. Asịrị na ogori no dinabụ ọmara nke dị mma. Ịghọtago? Asịrị na ogori no dinabụ ọmara nke dị mma. It is time now to test another person. Let us see. That is the only time we are going to appreciate the gift God in your life. That is the very time we are going to appreciate the gift that God gave us. But we lost him. We lost him. That is why in the Western that should be too big. And I'm waiting. I'm praying that God should give us the right person that is going to fit in that shoe, so that that person will outshine and outperform the late Senator Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah. I don't want to do this video for a long time, but I think the journey and the battle for Anambra South Senatorial District seat has just begun. It has just begun. And I hope that God is going to give us a leader like Senator Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah. Perhaps through such leader, we may even forget and allow his soul to rest in peace. Because people like me, I doubt if people like me, because every day I keep wishing that he may come back. Sometimes I keep wishing that no one prank can play on us. But as they passes by, I realize the reality of what happened. Yes, the reality had dawned on me that it has gone. He's gone, meaning that he's gone. He's gone, meaning that he's gone. Yeah? Please, we are asking God to give us direction. Let God direct us. If that man let us have someone who is going to continue, especially availability. Ifeanyi Ubah for a big man not in such kind of position. Onye na yakala ni ilo jinombe, onye na akwabara jinombe, onye na-akpọ kata jinombe and ịkpọ ya na phone ọza ịkpọ ya na phone ọza always and everly with his people. On spending most of his time with his people. Can we have such leader who will leave Abuja always to come back home here? Can we have such kind of leader who will always come back run down of how the parliamentary business is going? Can we have a leader who can be that accountable? Ifeanyi Ubah on quarterly basis, not even quarterly basis, steady. Now, Ifeanyi Authority FM, then any update about how the parliamentary activities and business is going on, even without people demanding that. Yeah? How can we get such a man? I hope we will not have people who will finish all their MHA election for result. They will all run to Abuja only to come back again. Jeba Apomozu, Jeba birthday party, Jeba Wahala. No one election, Lue. No one election, Lue. You want to go? If I Ubah moho garanya, or maho below, if you're an Apomozu below, if you're an Kemukum Mado, it was run on go below, call you Sino and Kemukum Mado. Always with these people, always with these people, always with his people. I pray. I don't know who that person will be, but I pray that God is going to give us a leader who is going to overperform more than Senator Ifeanyi Ubah. Let that person not underperform, but let that person overperform. May God use this election to heal the people of Anambra South. May God use this opportunity, this election, to give direction, to give healing and comfort to the people of Anambra South, because our hearts are bleeding. I'm happy. I said that this broadcast will not be long, and I want to leave it here. I've refused to talk about this election a long time, because each time I want to talk about this election, it will remind me that our able and distinguished senator, late, is no more. And don't go on and Ifeanyi Ubah. And I'm emotional. I don't know why. And I'm emotional. I don't know why. I guess now that man still, he stole a greater part of me while he was alive. He stole the greater part of me while he was alive. And I pray that God will continue to grant his soul eternal rest. Amen.